Welcome to the channel. If you enjoy tech insights and helpful tips, please subscribe. Let's begin.
Experiencing issues with your Harbor Breeze ceiling fan can be incredibly frustrating, but many common problems can be resolved with a systematic troubleshooting approach. The absolute first step, regardless of the issue, is safety. Always turn off the power at the circuit breaker controlling the fan before attempting any inspection or repair. Once power is confirmed off, we can begin. If your fan isn't turning on at all, start by checking the wall switch. Ensure it's in the on position and hasn't failed internally. Sometimes a simple flip back and forth can reset it. Next, verify that the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. For fans with a remote control, a dead battery is a frequent culprit. Replace it and try repairing the remote with the fan according to your model's instructions, as pairing can sometimes be lost. If these basic checks don't work, carefully inspect the wiring connections inside the wall switch box and, with extreme caution, within the fan's canopy where it connects to the ceiling wiring. Loose wire nuts or corroded connections can completely cut off power. For a fan that receives power but isn't spinning or spins very slowly, first check for any physical obstructions like dust buildup or debris preventing the blades from turning freely. If your fan has a pull chain, ensure it's fully engaged for the correct speed setting. A partially pulled chain can cause erratic behavior. A very common internal component failure is the capacitor, a small device that helps regulate motor speed. If your fan hums but doesn't turn, or starts very slowly, a swollen or leaking capacitor is highly suspect and often replaceable, requiring careful electrical work. When facing a wobbling or noisy fan, start by tightening all visible screws. Those attaching the blades to their arms, the blade arms to the motor housing, the downrod to the mounting bracket, and the mounting bracket to the ceiling junction box. Loose connections are the leading cause of wobble. Also, check for bent blade arms, as even a slight deformity can cause significant imbalance. If tightening screws doesn't resolve the wobble, a fan balancing kit, which typically includes clip-on weights, can help redistribute the blade weight evenly. For persistent grinding or humming noises, the motor bearings might be worn, which is a more complex repair often requiring professional assistance. Finally, if the fan works but the lights don't, begin by replacing the light bulbs even if they appear fine. Check the light kit's pull chain or switch, if applicable, ensuring it's in the on position. If using a remote, verify the light function is operational and paired correctly. Inspect the wiring connections within the light kit itself. Loose wires or a blown thermal fuse are common issues. Always work methodically, moving from the simplest solutions to more complex ones. If you're ever uncomfortable or unsure about electrical work, especially when dealing with internal fan components or complex wiring, it's always safest to consult a qualified electrician. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful DIY tips.